Hello Donut fam, Glazy here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the very first trade with D0 right after the subscription. I'll cover everything end to end, depositing funds, checking positions, opening a trade, and setting up take profit or stop loss. Let's get into it. Step 1. Deposit. Just open your D0 dashboard and click the wallet icon in the top right corner. We support 5 network for deposit right now. Or, if you'd rather not click around, just tell the agent, "Send me my deposit address," and it'll handle it for you. Don't forget to leave some gas fee if you want to swap across different venues. Step 2. Check your positions. Once your funds land, say, "Check my positions." D0 reads your wallet and gives you a clean breakdown of what's in there. Just one message. Step 3. Your first trade. Quick note here, the TG chat is now built right into our dashboard. Try something simple. For example, open a 2 times long on ETH and set a stop loss. D0 places the long first, then gives you a 1-click button to confirm the stop loss right after. Step 4. Managing your positions. Inside the dashboard, scroll down to the positions section. From there, you can tweak your stop loss and take profit anytime. You can even set multiple levels for both. Chat is fast, but dashboard gives you the manual control panel if you prefer this way. 4 steps, all in one place. All thanks to D0. If that sounds useful, follow us on X and YouTube for more tutorials, and try D0 at getdonut.ai. Donut.